Still on health for mothers this evening, calling on the administrators at the Jamaican Hospital in Clarendon to help cover the expenses for a major surgery for her baby. This after she said the infant sustained injuries during delivery earlier this year. Amoy Harriet has more.
On Saturday, Dijon Morrison will turn 8 months old. He's an active and happy baby. His mother, Patrice Brown, not so much. He looks healthy, but Dijon is suffering from a brachial plexus injury. Brachial plexus refers to the network of nerves that conduct signals from the spinal cord to the shoulder, arm, and hand. So in Dijon's case, one of the muscles in his right arm is torn and the nerves are torn from the spinal cord. Miss Brown alleges the injury was sustained during her son's delivery at the Jamaican Hospital in February.
The delivery was very traumatic. I went into labor about after 8 in the morning and I was induced 2 times and I still couldn't have the baby. Around after 7, a doctor came and she told me that she was going to assist me. She said my cervix is too thick, so she's going to push back my cervix. Meanwhile, she should be back the cervix, I should push.
Miss Brown was pushing, but the baby still wouldn't come.
About a couple of attempts, then she said that she saw the baby's head and she's going to use the vacuum to pull him out. I asked her not to because a family member of mine went through the same thing and she had a bump on her head, something looking like this. It's going down now. After the delivery, they told me that it seems like one of his hands is broken and one of his leg. Afterwards, they went away with the baby and I went into a seizure after I have the baby and I fell on the ground. Afterwards, on the ward, they came back and they told me that the baby hand is not broken, but it seems like his hand was damaged.
The injury can be fixed through surgery that is only offered overseas and would cost the mother up to $30,000.
Now they're saying to me that they're going to look about his visa and so for him to go overseas to the surgery. And if it's the shoulder alone damage, then the hospital will do the surgery for free. But if it's a case where the nerves is torn off from the spinal cord, I will have to find over $30,000 to do the surgery, and that would be on me. It is very unfair for me to find that over $4 million to do the surgery when the baby's arm was damaged during delivery.
Now, I shared Miss Brown's story with an obstetrician. I wanted to understand from a medical standpoint if the doctor who delivered Miss Brown's baby made any wrong calls during the birth. The obstetrician I spoke to off camera believes the injury could have been prevented, but she insists other factors may have led the doctor to deliver the baby in that particular way. In this case, she says, the mother's health appeared to be at risk, which would then force the doctor to get the baby out as quickly as possible. Now, as for the Jamaican Hospital staff, our team contacted Chief Executive Officer Eugenia Clark James, who suggested the mother visit the facility to discuss the matter with customer care. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.